Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cartoon pop art Wonder Woman Halloween makeup look. So it kind of looks like a cartoon. If you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys think of this look at the end. So I did include a cartoon picture of Wonder Woman. This is the look I'm recreating. And I'm going to be starting off with doing my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend the foundation all over my face. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going in with my concealer. And I'm going to be highlighting my face. I'm just doing basically my regular foundation routine. And I'm going in with that beauty blender and I'm going to be blending that highlight in as well. And off camera, I did go in and apply my contour. And I did go in and blend the contour, and then now I just skip to the part where you see me putting my powder on my face to set my foundation and my contour, so that it doesn't move, everything stays in place. And this is going to be the Morphe palette that I'm using, and I'm going in with that brown shade. And I'm just going to be using that on my lids. I didn't want this look to be too heavy because it's not much of a eyeshadow look, so I just put it a little brown just for a little color. This is Wet n Wild liquid liner in the color black, and I'm going to be using that to make a wing on my eye and line my eyes. I was thinking of maybe going a little bit thicker with this wing liner, but I'm glad I didn't. I think the thin line looks really good and natural. And I did extend that inner corner line down some, which is something that I never do, but I think it came out really pretty though. Just me extending that line down. Gives it more of like a cat eye. And then I did drag that line to my under eye as well. I did line my eyes with the same Morphe palette. It's like a silver color. And the next thing I did pop my lashes on off camera, and I'm going to be lining my lips with my red liquid lipstick. And this is by Ruby Kiss, this liquid lipstick. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking my black lipstick and I'm going to be applying that to a small brush, and I'm going to be outlining my lips. Because remember, this look is, I'm going for like the cartoon look, so I'm going to be outlining my whole face basically throughout the video. And I'm just starting with my lips, outlining with the black to make my lips really stand out and look cartoonish. I am taking that white concealer and I'm just adding the pops of white on my lips to make my lips stand out, as I stated, and to look more like a cartoon. And I'm just applying that with a regular brush. And this is my this is my eyeliner that I'm using, my black eyeliner, and I'm using that to make the lines on my face to make it stand out and make it look like a cartoon. So I'm using this liner to do that, and I'm also putting some hair-like strokes inside of my eyebrows with this same liquid liner, outlining some of my brows as well, just to make them stand out and pop. No particular order, I'm just adding lines as I go. This is my black lipstick, and I'm using that to outline my face, and I'm going to outline my cheekbones as well. I am going to be adding that white concealer under my contour just to make it stand and pop. This is the Wonder Woman headband that she wears. I'm just making my shape with that black lipstick, and I'm going to be using this paint palette, the gold inside of this palette, and I'm going to be applying that to mimic the headband that she wears. And it also has a red star on her headband, which I will be drawing soon, as you can see. Just filling that in with the gold. And then next, I'm just going to be highlighting certain parts to make them really stand out and pop. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going over to this side under my contour. And now I'm going to be using my red liquid lipstick. Apply that to my brush, and I'm going to be drawing that star on my forehead. This is supposed to be a headband, but I didn't have one, so I just created my own by just drawing one on my head. Just want these parts to really stand out and really look like a cartoon. I did put a little bit of white in my eyebrows as well. I really love how this look came out too. It really looked real. It really looks like a cartoon. And if you are this far in the video so far, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this and many, many more to come. I did throw a little bit of curls in my hair, some big, just big curls. And then I fluffed it out because she has like really, really big fluffy hair, curly hair. So I just wanted to add a couple of curls in this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recreation of Wonder Woman. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. So I'm pretty much done after I finish curling my hair, and I'm just going to let you guys see the finished product with the makeup and the hair complete. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And here are my other social media handles where you can contact me and follow me on my journey. Bye.